As XRP continues its explosive increase, it may reach $1,650 to $2,900 by the end of 2024. Get ready for a financial revolution. The impending launch of an XRP ETF is a significant milestone, so this isn't just exaggerated rhetoric. Consider this scenario: BlackRock, the massive financial firm that introduced a successful Bitcoin ETF, is using its expertise to analyze XRP. Nearly all of their ETF bids have been accepted, demonstrating their remarkable track record. BlackRock's foray into XRP is groundbreaking. But there's more. Grayscale is also making waves in the business, in addition to BlackRock. They have proposed an XRP ETF and added XRP to their cryptocurrency portfolio. This illustrates the growing influence of Ripple Labs and XRPs in the realm of international transactions. Before we dive into today's article's primary topic, let's quickly catch up. Do me a favor and join our amazing community by clicking the like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. Now let's investigate the intriguing world of XRP and find out what's new at the moment. When it comes to ETF approvals, BlackRock has a nearly flawless record, according to a detailed examination of the data. BlackRock, the global leader in asset management, has changed the way the traditional financial sector perceives virtual currencies with its entry into Web 3.0 and cryptocurrencies. Their nearly perfect approval record for ETFs demonstrates their extraordinary skill in managing the financial industry. Remember that BlackRock has an incredible 99.8% ETF approval rate, making it an unstoppable force in the ETF business. Seeing the big picture is crucial in this situation. Large financial institutions like BlackRock and JP Morgan have not only expressed interest in XRP, but have also been actively stockpiling it. According to claims and a leaked document, these giants have apparently allocated almost 7.5% of their total wealth to XRP. A recent well-researched article even implied that BlackRock might entirely shift its focus from Bitcoin to XRP, signifying a significant shift in the company's investment strategy. This move raises the possibility that BlackRock may back an XRP ETF, since it indicates that demand in XRP is growing. But this is where it becomes even more interesting. One new development in the XRP tale is the existence of an XRP ETP. The existence of an ETP is an important first step towards an ETF, even though its creator is currently unknown. Despite having been launched, the XRP ETP is reportedly currently in the pre-release phase, valued at $0, and is anticipated to be revealed at any time. There's more. At the same time as the ETP launches, there are rumors that an XRP ETF will also launch. This contemporaneous publication not only makes sense, but it also demonstrates how quickly the ETF developed, possibly just a few weeks after the first Bitcoin ETF was introduced. When we look at this, XRP has a lot of potential, especially considering that Bitcoin reached $43,000 before its ETF was even released. We're talking about how XRP's value may soar to $1,650 or perhaps $2,500 if its ETF performs well. This isn't as insane as it sounds, so pay attention. In just a few weeks, an XRP ETF will be available, as the XRP ETP has already gone online. Many individuals are not aware that the financial behemoth Fidelity has officially introduced the XRP exchange-traded asset. This implies that an XRP ETF will be introduced shortly after receiving approval from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. We only talked about a recently released piece yesterday, disclosed that an XRP ETF might be on the horizon, according to a research that was released by none other than BlackRock. According to this leak, XRP is expected to file for an ETF. The excitement was heightened when a top BlackRock analyst revealed that a BlackRock ETF specifically for XRP would be created. They even brought up the iShares XRP Trust in relation to an application for an ETF. After initially being skeptical, I checked this myself, and sure enough, it's on the Delaware list of corporations page. This pattern is groundbreaking and shows how close we are to seeing a significant shift in XRP's market presence, one that may even surpass or mirror the developments seen in the Bitcoin ETF. A new study clarified a significant advancement in the crypto business. BlackRock and JP Morgan have acquired almost 7.5 million XRP, indicating institutional interest in cryptocurrencies, apart from stockpiling. XRP BlackRock is leading the charge by integrating the XRP ledger into its operations, and most importantly by promoting the release of an XRP ETF to the general public. Given BlackRock's almost flawless record of ETF approvals, the XRP ETF has a very excellent probability of getting approved. The impact. that the XRP ETF has on its value cannot be overstated. This is why, when you consider all the upcoming significant events, a target price of $9,831 for XRP starts to make sense, despite its seeming ambition. Given the huge amounts at stake, XRP is well positioned to be a major player in the management of international debt transfers. The $1.80 to $1.30 quadrillion that could flow via the XRP ledger is mostly driven by the ISDA. The BRICS nations, including Saudi Arabia, are integrating the XRP ledger into their systems, while the Republic of Palau is developing its central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger. This scenario presents a classic case of huge volume, high demand, and limited availability, which logically predicts a skyrocketing value per XRP currency. Recently, there has been a lot of interest in this subject. Some individuals think my optimism about XRP is just wishful thinking. Well, they might be correct. But here's what I say. I firmly believe that I will accept this hopium. I'm inhaling deeply, lighting it, and then rolling it into a gigantic ball. It's very powerful material. I genuinely believe there is hope. It's a lifeline, especially when you're having a hard time hanging on. If you reject hope and think it's wishful thinking, that's also fine. But I don't see that as a disadvantage. Let's support each other. We're not about throwing tokens into a void is my mantra, and anything less seems like that. We are trying to stay positive. Speaking of hope, I appreciate all of your interesting conversations and provocative viewpoints. It actually stimulates the brain. An interesting argument was raised about institutions and XRP. They are not required to buy XRP. Another option is to lease. Yeah, that's a good idea, isn't it? So I thought of something interesting. What if individual investors were the only ones buying XRP? I looked into this more and even asked ChatGPT how many transactions were made per day on the SWIFT system. The shocking answer was more than $7 trillion. Remember, too, that this only applies to international trade. It does not include tokenized assets such as real estate, smart contracts, NFTs, or the quadrillion-dollar derivatives market. Now, think about the potential roles that XRP could play in each of these areas. But let's limit our discussion to international trade, which is the area in which SWIFT operates. Let's speculate as to what may occur if XRP, which has 1,700 connections, yes, Ripple and XRP have said High Standard had to manage just $3 trillion of that $7 trillion daily if we were to cut it in half. That would mean that on that day, $3 trillion needs to be kept in the system. In this scenario, XRP's price might increase to over $1.50 per unit. It follows that the value would undoubtedly rise, given its extensive network. It becomes sense to assume that some of these links will make investments in XRP. As we previously stated, once the system is up and running, values might rise beyond $1.50, even if institutions choose to lease rather than buy, especially if XRP holds even half of this market. If all bank transfers are taken into account, we are talking about well over $1.10 per token, maybe with an adult beverage in hand. Think for a second about what this hopium vision could accomplish. There are many incredible chances in this dynamic world. Please remember that I am not a licensed financial advisor. The material of these videos is only meant to be enjoyed while watching. I always encourage people to investigate and consult with specialists before making any financial decisions. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Additionally, make sure you enable the alerts so you may be the first to know when